Good morning to all. Welcome to Blue Star Elementary School. This is online class for 12th standard, subject commerce. Today we are going to see continuity chapter money market. Last class we have discussed what is in the money market, meaning of money market, and difference between money market and capital market, and money market and capital market, and we are discussed about the characteristics of money market. In this class, we are going to be discussed about participation in money market. Who are all the person is going to be participation in money market? There are the many participations operating in the money market. The participations are like the treasury bill, commercial papers. These are the instrument, and who are all participation in the money market? Let us see. Government of different countries, central government of different countries, private and public banks, mutual fund institutions, insurance companies, non-banking financial institutions, RBI and SBA, commercial bank and state bank and public. These are the 10% of participation in a money market. Here are the participations. They are buying and selling of money market. These are the treasuries bill, commercial bill, and commercial paper. These are they are going to be doing and buying and selling of distribution services. And what is meant by money market instrument? What are the money market instrument? In money market instrument are available in India after 1986. After independence, a few instruments are available like treasury bills and money market of called short notice loan. There is a note of a money market. There is a commercial paper, certificate of deposit, interbank participation certificate, and repo instrument. These are the instruments of money markets. And what is meant by treasury bill? The market of purchasing or selling of treasury bill is known as treasury bill market. எந்த ஒரு மார்க்கெட்டு treasury bill buying and selling இருக்குதோ அதுதான் என்னன்னு பார்த்தா treasury bill. Treasury bill are very popular and enjoyable in highly degree of liquidity since they are issued by the government. A treasury bill is nothing but a promissory note issued for a specific period of sale of layer. The government is promised to pay them a specific amount are mentioned there. Bearer of instrument as due to the date. The period does not exiting as a period of 1 year. 1 year குள்ள என்ன பண்ணாது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எக்ஸிட் ஆகாது. ட்ரெஷரி பில்ல என்ன அமௌண்ட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ the government has to pay the treasury bill. It is the treasury bill. Next, what are the features of treasury bill? The features of treasury bills are the incorporated sectoral features are issuer, financial bill, liquidity, vital resources, and monetary. These are the general feature of treasury bill. And management types of treasury bill. The treasury bills are issued to a public and another financial institution for meeting a short-term financial requirement of a central government. These bills are freely marketable and they can be bought and sold anytime. These bills are traded in a secondary market as well. These are the management of types of treasury bills. On the basis of periodical, the treasury bill may be classified into three categories: 91 days treasury bill, 182 days treasury bill, 364 days treasury bill. 91 days treasury bills are fixed discount of 4% of the auction, and RBI of 91 and 182 treasury bills are issued and the tap off through the week of 364 days. The treasury bill has carried out the fixed period, the discount on the basis of auctioneering. அதாவது வந்து 194, 182 டேஸ் அண்ட் 364 இது வந்து ஒரு ட்ரெஷரி பில். ட்ரெஷரி பில்லுன்றது பக்கத்து செக் மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். இது எல்லாமே என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா கவர்மெண்ட் வந்து சேல் பண்ணுவாங்க. சேல் பண்ணும்பொழுது என்ன நடக்கும்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பப்ளிக்கோ இல்லை இஷ்யூரோ இல்லை பார்ட்டிசிபேஷன் பர்ச்சேஸ் நிறைய பேர் பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணும்போது இந்த மெச்சூரிட்டி டேட் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் 91 டேஸ் ஒரு மெச்சூரிட்டி டேட்டு, 364 மெச்சூரிட்டி டேட்டு, 182 டேஸ் மெச்சூரிட்டி டேட்டு. இந்த மெச்சூரிட்டி டேட் வரும்பொழுது என்ன நடக்கும் பார்த்தோம்னா they can be easily put at auction, they can be sell the treasury bill. It is an types of treasury bill. This is an DP, certificate of deposit. இதுதான் வந்து certificate of deposit. இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு பக்கத்து வந்து செக் மாதிரி இருக்கும். இதில் லெஜர் போலியோ, அக்கௌண்ட் நம்பரு, நோட் சீரியல், யாருக்கு கொடுக்குறோம், எத்தனை வருஷத்துக்கு கொடுக்குறோம், எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் கொடுக்குறோன்றத இது பேங்க் ஆஃப் இந்தியா இஷ்யூ பண்ண ஒரு சர்டிஃபிகேட் ஆஃப் டெபாசிட். இது வந்து ஒரு ஸ்பெசிமென் காப்பி. இப்படி தான் வந்து certificate of deposit இருக்கும். உங்ககிட்ட பார்த்தாலும் you can identify these things in your book itself. This is a certificate of deposit as a short-term instrument issued by the banker and financial institution placing them a large sum of money. The certificate of deposits are issued in the form of the unusual promissory note. They are easily converted into a nature and marketable for the participation of face value and maturity. The certificate of deposit is a transfer of the one party to another due to the negotiable futures and they are known as a negotiable certificate of deposit. Is the இது வந்து ஈஸிலி கன்வெர்டபுள் ஒன்று ஷார்ட் டேர்ம் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட்டு ஒரு வித்தின் இயர்க்குள்ளேயே என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மெச்சூரிட்டி கிடைச்சிடும் அந்த ஃபேஸ் வேல்யூவோட ப்ளஸ் வந்து இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்டையும் சேர்த்து கொடுக்குறது தான் சர்டிஃபிகேட் ஆஃப் டெபாசிட்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் இதை யார் இஷ்யூ பண்ணுவாங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கமர்ஷியல் பேங்க் அண்ட் ஃபினான்ஷியல் இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் வேரியஸ் அதர் டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் பேங்க்ஸ். Next, subsidiary certificate. The subsidiary certificate of the deposits are available in a individual, correspondent, and association of NRI. These documents are titled with the deposit. It is a waiver of the certificate and negotiable of the market. And features of certificate deposits are document of the title to the time deposit. It is a unsecured negotiable instrument. It freely transferred by the endorsement and the delivery. It is an issued at a discount to the face value. It's repayable on a fixed date and without a grace days. These are the certificate of deposit. These are features. The title will be easily transferable. You can be sale anytime and you can be sold to the anyone. Commercial bill. Commercial bill is a near reflection like what we are seeing in the depository. Like that, we have commercial bill also see. A bill of exchange is issued for a commercial of organization to raise the money market for the short term data. These bills are then at 30 days and 60 days and 90 days maturity. The commercial bill or the institution set down by the seller of goods on a buyer of it. It is possessed the advantages like self-liquidity in nature and recourse of two participation is known as the expedited of transaction and transmission and transaction. This is a commercial bill. What are the features of commercial bill? The commercial bill has a drawer, acceptor, payee, discounter, endorsement, assessment, maturity, and credit rating. These are the completely given by the commercial bill. There will be a 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days for a maturity period. When we purchase a commercial bill, within 30 days we can be where the maturity of the bill. The bill will be a maturity, the face value plus interest rate. The types of commercial bill. A demand bill, a claim of a document. A demand bill is based on the demand. The demand bill once we specifically time is and a payment is mentioned, then it will be immediately paid to the person of the employee. And the claim bill and the documentary bill. The bill will be a document of the document. If then a document bill will be a railway receipt or lorry receipt. Inland bill and foreign bill. Inland bill and foreign bill will be indicating that a person's residence of the inland within India and outside the India. They can also purchase the bill. And indigenous bill. Indigenous bill will be a commanded by the native bill and the customs and usage of the trade. The accommodation bill will be the races the general trade of the transaction. Based on the transaction, bill will be easily climbed to this. These are the types of commercial bill and government. This is a government security market. Government security or big edge security market. It will be a government the government will be filled and purchase any goods and services. This is a built-in market. The government or built-in market is issued a purpose of refunding the maturity of security for advantages of refunding of securities, not maturity of cash and raising the fresh cash of interest. This is a built-in market. This is a specimen of the public interest market. Is a government issue the bonds. These are the characteristics. What are the characteristics of the government security has? The Indian money market has a characteristics. The agencies. First one is the agency. Agency means look like the broker. They can be buying and selling a share of in the presence of the buyers. The government securities are issued by the agencies of the central government and state government and the semi-government authorities like the local bodies, authorities, municipality, autonomous institutions such as metropolitan authority and courts. Based on this person can be still there in government secretary. And the RBI special rule based on the RBI special rule guidance and the role play, they can be filled there in a Wilted securities, natural securities. Natural securities will be they will be paid an interest for the government securities. Then liquidity of profit. Then the profit is goes to be a liquidity. The liquidity where is the rises the liquidity of profit. It can be used to set by the central government. And tax rebate. When we invest in the guilty securities, government securities, there will be a tax rebates, there will be exemption. Then market, the market will be throughout the world. Then forms of state will be a increment stock or the securities or promissory note or bearer bonds. Participation. Participation in a government securities may be included the government securities composing the central and the state who hold you then in a percent of the government transaction of sources. These are the participation. Trading. Although the secondary market for a government can be secure their narrow and small less activities, the bankers and the property holder hold their purchase and sell the government securities on the stock exchange. Participation in trading. These are the traders. The only issue mechanism is the public debt of the officer, PDO officer of RD issuing the government security. That is say a number of person who are issuing their securities. When we invest in the government securities, we can get them many many advantages, things like tax rebates and increase in economy, increase in economy of debt. It will be a focused by the process. Issue opening. A notification for issuer of a security are 2 days for the public circulation is open. The grooming of it. When they are opening, they can be limited to the public. They can be shown to the public whether the government securities are open. Grooming and casually. It will be a grooming, it will be not go for at the peak of stations, never go for it. When we purchase the government security, it's never go at the time of peak, it will be grooming, it will be increasing step by step. When we invest for 5 to 6 years, then the maturation will be a more thing. We can get the return in a more thing. Acquisition of the securities and mainly necessary through the stock exchange by RBI. In order to facilitate the regulation increasing as a growth. And switching. Switching is a easily we can switch to the market, we can sell to the secondary market. We can be easily selling this securities to the secondary market. And auction. Auction which means we can be easily sell at the bidding at the higher price. When we purchase for 10 rupees, we can sell it to you 100 rupees based on the market. We can be sell. And this is your assignment. Explain the future strengths of the commercial bill and then characteristics of government securities. Assignment should be sent to your school app and your notes material will be available in school website. You can get it. Okay, thank you to all. Thank you. Thank you to all and have a nice day and study well. You have a lot of your exams. Thank you to all.